So I'm changing what I'm doing. Honest, I don't think I'm gonna make a skirt pattern. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making a Shego Halloween costume because Halloween is coming up in a few days. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, so for my Halloween costume, I'm going to make a bodysuit to look like Shego from Kim Possible, and I thrifted this green shirt to use as fabric and 2 of these satin pillowcases. And since these are satin, they have no give. So for the bodysuit, I'm going to take a fitted shirt that I like and a bathing suit bottom that I like and trace that, and then take my measurements and adjust it and then put a little bit of seam allowance so that I will know that it will fit, since I know I'm not gonna have any give. Okay, so I seam ripped the pillowcases and the shirt, as seen there. So I'm changing what I'm doing. I do not really want to do the bodysuit. I was kind of like, I don't really want to make it, and then also I didn't really know if I was gonna have enough fabric. And then I also realized that I didn't even want to do the Shego version of the bodysuit. I wanted to do this version, so that'll be inserted here, where she's in a skirt and top, and then also gloves, because also I was thinking to myself, or not thinking to myself, but I saw this post on Instagram about just like how much waste is like made from like Halloween costumes, and if I did like the shirt and skirt, I could wear them. Like I could keep wearing them, whereas like if I do the bodysuit, it's just like a one-time thing. So yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm gonna make a skirt pattern. I don't know if I'm gonna make a shirt pattern. I'm probably just gonna draw it on the fabric and cut it out. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so I ironed out the like very deep prominent creases, and now I'm going to sew the skirt together. Okay, I just sewed the skirt, and for the waistband, I'm going to use the green shirt. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than my waist size, and I'm going to use an elastic because I don't want to use a zipper. and I'm gonna sew it onto the top of the skirt. Okay, so I serged all of the edges of the pillowcase because the edges were raveling a lot, and I'm looking over at what I just did so I can remember because I'm tired. And I sewed the waistband, but I didn't sew it on because I think that I should put the green on the skirt first so it'll look better. But since I only have a limited amount of green fabric, I'm going to make the shirt next and then sew on the green there so I can see how much extra I have for the skirt and for the glove, so I can probably do a little bit of patchwork on the skirt. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so for the green on this part, I'm gonna trace until the center line and then just like copy the trace onto the other side. So for the shirt part, it'll go from the front to the back. Okay, so I pinned down the fabric. So what I'm first gonna do is sew on this side and then on the other side, and then I'm gonna sew along the edges before I hem it. Okay, so I put the green on the skirt just like I did with the shirt, and now I'm going to sew it on. This is no surprise to anyone, to any of us, also Billie Eilish in the background. I messed up. I did the green on the same side. Also, there's a stain on the shirt. Yeah, it is what it is. So for the gloves, what I'm going to do, I'm going to trace both my hands on a piece of newspaper, and then I'm going to cut fabric, or the pieces of the fabric roughly so they are outside the outline, and then I'm going to sew with the newspaper on and then rip off the newspaper and bam, turn them inside out. I have gloves, and then also for the spirit, I want to put on fake nails. I got these Halloween nails from Walmart, so I'm gonna make them fingerless gloves so my nails can stick out. Yeah. thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. As you can see, I definitely changed my mind for what I wanted the costume to be, and also the glove didn't really work out, but I intend to try different patterns and see what works best. If you did like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and happy Halloween!